Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a guitar, so let's get started. To draw this guitar, we're going to first start by drawing the head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And then we're going to bring it down with a straight line. So we're just going to round it off a tiny bit. Come down. And same thing over here. And then from there, about that much, I'm going to start to angle it in. On both sides. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line. So then let's work on the head first. So we're going to start to draw the tuning keys first. So I'm going to come in here and we're going to draw 3 of them on each side. So I'm just going to come in here with 3 lines. Give myself a point. So same thing on this side. We're just going to match it. There. And then on the outside right here, we're just going to draw a circle. For each one. So same thing on this side. And then let's come in here and we're just going to draw another circle, but just fill it in. So basically just a big dot. Okay, so then you can decorate this part however you like. Since it's a Draw So Cute guitar, and you know I'm going to have to draw a heart right here, right? So I'm just going to draw a nice size heart right in the center to decorate my guitar. Okay, so then from there I'm going to draw the neck of the guitar. So I'm going to come from this point right here and just drag a straight line down. So if you need to turn the paper, definitely do that. And try my best here to just go straight down, about that much. So same thing on this side. So notice I'm just dragging my hand, I'm not picking it up. So this is a little bit more steady. And then from there, about that long, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And then from there, I'm going to skip a little bit of space, and in this area, I'm going to draw the hole where the sound is, so the sound hole. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a circle. Slowly build this guitar up. And thank you for the request for this guitar because I'm learning a lot. I don't play the guitar, but I Googled it and so I know what all these things are called. So I'm going to come right here and draw some details. So just draw another circle outside. So we're just going to surround our sound hole right here. Oops. And connect it. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to come down again. We're going to draw a straight line underneath of it. So it's going to be a tiny bit wider. And if I'm correct, this is called the bridge. Hopefully. If I'm wrong, please correct me. I'm just going to angle it out a little bit. And then connect it with a curve. Okay. So then from there, let's draw the body of the guitar. So I'm going to come back up, say about right here, and I'm going to start to draw kind of like that pear shape. So don't worry too much about it being exact. We just kind of want to aim for this pear shape. So then about right here where the sound hole is, we're just going to dip it in. So come in, and then start to come out. So let's do the same thing on this side. Okay, so we're going to come out. So we know this is going to be our innermost area. So I'm just going to give myself a point about right that much. And I'm going to aim to come right here. So it just makes it a little bit easier if you want to try and make it a little bit more exact. And so from there, I'm going to come out. Okay, and then let's come in here and just start to finish off the body. Just round it in. And finish it off. So all the way back to connect it. From there, let's come in here and draw the details right here in the neck. So I'm going to come in here and draw a straight line right across. And I believe it gets thinner as we come down here. So, oops. Let's try to make it become thinner and thinner. And I'm getting sloppy. Okay, now what else is left is the strings, of course. So I'm going to do that later when I turn my paper because it's a little bit too hard to do so many strings coming straight down. And so before we finish it off, let's bring this guitar to life. And so if you wanted to, you can come down here and just draw some happy eyes. So same thing on this side. And out. So come in here and thicken this part up. And then right in between, we're going to draw a smile and cap it off. And then connect it with a U, extra happy, and then a tongue. And then you can come in here with some cheeks when you're coloring it. So now I'm going to turn the paper and draw the strings. To draw the strings, I'm going to use a thinner Sharpie, and I'm basically just going to follow this outside line. So I'm going to aim to just draw 4 strings just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to draw one. Hopefully this Sharpie would work. And then one right next to the edge, right across, all the way to the top. And I'm going to do another one over here. So it's nice and even all the way. And then I'm going to space it out so I can draw 2 more. It's just easier for my hand to draw it going this way than rather up and down. So I had to turn the paper. And so then from there, I know there's lots of details right here that go to the tuning keys, but let's just make it a little bit easier. And I'm just going to connect, say maybe this one to that one. And let's see here, just tune this one to that one. Just to make it a little bit easier. There. Okay, so then let's finish off this and bring it all the way down. So right here, just going to bring it down. See, maybe I have to turn the paper around. Maybe it's easier this way. So keep going straight down. I hope I didn't make you dizzy when I turned the paper. And one more. There. And then you can draw a circle here if you want to add some detail. And let's see, I'll turn it slowly. That's pretty much it. I hope I have enough details in there. Oh, one more thing. Just a little curve on top of the eye. So that's pretty much it for this Just So Cute guitar. Decorate however you like and add some embellishments over here if you wanted. But hopefully I made it easy for you guys to follow. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.